been working as a global technology recruiter for 7 years. Today, I'm going to present you how do I find Azure Data Engineer on LinkedIn Recruiter.
Firstly, I will create a simple query. Secondly, I will create another query with spelling mistakes. Then I will create a query for tightly coupled technologies and finally merge all together. With this technique, I won't waste my time to review unsuitable profiles. Firstly, look at the main requirements. At the beginning of the hiring process, I usually have this much information about the job. There are several solutions to find Azure data engineers. I am now only showing one of them. The first thing what I do, just select the main keywords, which are Azure, Databricks, Data Lake, and Data Factory. I created a simple query, which means I want LinkedIn to find those profiles which contain all the keywords. As you can see, I used the correct spellings in this query, and now only 164 candidates have found in London. That's not too much. I have the following assumption. There are lots of candidates who don't complete their profile, but if they mention each of the technology on their profile, very likely they can work with the other two technologies as well. I created a list of spelling mistakes. That means if someone is misspelling one of the keywords on their profile, I will also be able to find them. In this query, you can only see Azure and the previous 3 main technologies written with different typos. I want LinkedIn to find Azure and Databricks or Data Lake or Data Factory keywords. Within the brackets, at least one of the keywords will be found on the profiles. With the spelling mistakes query, you can extend your search results and find those candidates who are barely approached by other recruiters. 123 candidates misspelled one of the keywords, so that means it's recommended to use this technique to find more candidates. In the third query, you can see those technologies which are highly dependent upon each other. It's more than likely if someone knows Azure Functions, blob storage, and ETL and SQL, they can work with Databricks or Data Lake or Data Factory. With this query, I also found 165 candidates. Finally, I merged all the queries. With the merged query, you can extend your search results and the quality of the profiles will be also great and match with the requirements. At the first meeting with the hiring manager, I would present these profiles because I think they would be suitable for this job. This guy has a great background in BI with reporting services and in his last role used Databricks and Data Factory. The second candidate has some big data experience, which is also great and currently working with Azure technologies. The last profile also seems to be perfect because he used all the technologies what I am looking for.
If you would like to watch more videos about how do I create other queries to find software engineers on LinkedIn Recruiter, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook.